I want to shift gears, if I could,
I think we're going to be back with Yuri on
to another video. Did
Monday.
you review certain ring videos specifically relative to One Meadows, the outdoor ring video servicing the carport area?
Yes, I have reviewed those videos.
If we could, Your Honor, just a moment. This has previously been marked as 12A.
Okay.
If we could, with the court's permission, zoom in on the Chevy Traverse in the upper left-hand, the vehicle in the upper left-hand corner of the video.
Okay.
Ah, yes, my favorite video.
Pause it. Just go ahead and zoom in on the upper left-hand corner. Okay. Go ahead and play.
This is my favorite video of the whole trial. Zoom in, he said. Zoom in.
Pause.
We called it, y'all. I have not seen this trial from the first time. I called it. I told you guys to watch the tire. It moved. We're amazing, man. That's it. We're going to law school. We called this one. I said, y'all, look at the tire. You can see it. Crazy.
Pause. Did you see anything happen with the left rear tire of the other car in the driveway?
We saw it. Tell him,
Which
ClassE,
car
don't
are
miss.
you talking about?
The highlighted portion, the parked car, which is the left rear tire that's zoomed in on.
Crazy.
I wasn't paying attention to the tire. Can you play it again, please?
With the court's permission,
Okay.
let's try that one more time.
I knew it. I know it. We saw it. We saw it yesterday. Wednesday. Boom. Cracked taillight.
Pause it. Okay, you can take that down. Did you see anything happen with that left rear tire of the Chevy Traverse?
Based on that video, it appears there might have been movement there.
Last year, and you've seen this video several times, correct?
I have.
You saw it during the course of your investigation, not just in the course of proceedings, correct?
Right.
Last year, you indicated that you observed the vehicle, Miss Reed's vehicle, come near Mr. O'Keefe's car. Which one in that video was Mr. O'Keefe's car?
The Chevy Traverse.
And that would be the car that was parked and static, not moving, correct?
Correct.
Having seen this, do you still believe that the SUV came
Yuri?
near the Chevy Traverse, or do you believe it struck the Chevy Traverse?
Yuri, come on. Yuri.
With the clarity of that video, there is a lot of movement in the shot.
Yuri, please.
Not with great certainty. It appeared that there was movement of the tire, but I cannot say with 100% certainty that there was movement.
You can't.
This could have saved his testimony, and he wouldn't do it. We saw it. We watched it for ourselves. Many of us, the first time seeing this, said, hold up a second. It looked like the tire moved there. We went back. We watched it probably 60, 50, 40, 50, 11 times. Yuri, come on, man.
I say with 100% certainty that that tire literally shifted and wiggled upon some sort of an impact.
Based on the video, there appeared to have been movement.
Okay.
Come on, Yuri.
You had this video for the first 3 years of your investigation. You had this video very early on, correct?
That's correct.
And for the first several years of your investigation, did you either deny, well, let me ask it this way. Was it your assessment that the SUV did not contact that Chevy Traverse?
This makes him look so bad.
My assessment with the totality of it all was that based on the video, there was no damage that occurred to either vehicle at that point in time.
That wasn't my question, Sergeant. My question was your assessment that there was no contact between the two vehicles? Is that what you assessed during the course of your investigation?
I did not assess that there was no contact, no.
Even as recently as last year, you testified in another proceeding that the SUV came close to the Chevy Traverse, correct?
Yes, I said there's a lot of movement in that shot. It's difficult to tell if there was more for me to observe and push that certainty level up. I would have testified differently.
As you've seen the video enhanced, zoomed in on, do you wish to amend that testimony from last year?
Ask it differently.
Sure. Given what you've just seen, what is your testimony now about whether or not that SUV struck the Chevy Traverse?
There is movement of the tire. There is
There's
movement.
movement of the tire. Could be an earthquake, could be someone standing there and pushing the car. I'm asking you, based on what you just saw in this video, do you believe that the SUV struck the Chevy Traverse?
Logically speaking, the two vehicles had to have come into contact for the tire to move.
They have to have collided.
Thank you, Yuri. Good job. I'm proud of
At
you.
a slow speed, yes.
Thank you for adding the
which
qualifier
area
of at a slow speed.
Of the SUV
Would have likely,
collided with
AJ.
Chevy
Come on.
Traverse.
Which area of the SUV is most likely to have
It
collided with the
appears from
SUV?
the video it's the right rear area of the Lexus SUV that comes into contact with the Traverse.
What time was this video taken?
I believe that is at 5:07 a.m., if I'm not mistaken.
Do the right thing, Yuri.
Thank you, Sergeant.
He rolled
I want
his
to change
eyes.
gears again, if I could,
He rolled
and
his
ask
eyes
you
again.
about a dog. You're aware that the Alberts, Nicole Albert, Brian Albert, had a dog that they named Chloe on on
Yeah, get the
January
water.
28th, 29th of 2022, correct?
Objection.
I'll allow the question. Were you aware of that?
At what point in time, sir?
January 28th, 29th, that area.
Was I aware that they owned a dog on January 28th or 29th?
No. Are you aware now that on January 28th or 29th, they owned a dog? There was a dog in the house.
Now I am aware, yes.
Okay. During the course of your investigation, you learned that, correct?
Yes.
During the course of your investigation, did you also become aware that the Alberts got rid of their family dog?
Objection.
I'm going to see you at sidebar on this, please.
Sure.
Why?